Morning, YouTube. We are going on an adventure today to the Shenandoah River. How do you feel, Drips?
I feel great, bro.
What about you, Sonic?
Fantastic.
We're going on a 3-day Aqua Blazing excursion. We will be kayaking 700 miles in 3 days, living off of only squirrels and the fish that Drips catches with his child-sized fishing rod. What are we doing?
Necessity calls for action.
Just gonna get on a river and float. I don't even know where we're going. I have not looked into this at all. I'm just along for the ride.
Do you guys need anything while
I was asking if you wanted to.
Iceman, watch out. Iceman.
Watch out, Iceman! We're aqua blazing on the Shenandoah River. It's official. It's gonna be an interesting adventure. It's the debut adventure for the purple hair too, so this is important. There's a bald eagle right there. What? Oh my gosh.
So we're gonna hope that there's no rocks this direction.
Yeah, we are. I'm trying to steer and look at this eagle at the same time. All right, guys. Update. We had a couple of mishaps. Probably about 5 minutes into our river adventure, we had some rollovers on the river. I would not want to roll over with my pack in the boat. Oh my gosh. Yeah, I feel so bad. It was Food Fighter and Snail. They flipped over, and I think a couple other people might have flipped over too.
So where the heck did Young Buck and
So hopefully we can get through the rest of this river without any, you know, any troubles.
Like darts playing. Just sit and let it take you.
He's just chilling.
No. They haven't flipped. They're not wet.
Although we're kind of making a blockade. Should we spin? Okay. They'll be cool. They're nice.
Hello!
What was that? Stand all the way up. Yeah, puff your chest out, man.
Come on, Captain Dart.
Captain Dart. I want to make sure that me crew is fine and dandy and ready for the big adventure we be going on to the Shenandoah.
Your shorts, bro.
So what's that for your shorts, Dart? We keep it half cocked around here. Just in case. I want to boat with him.
Okay, goodbye, turtle. This river's eating us alive. We got another mishap. This is not good, guys. Oh no. Yeah, Snail and Food Fighter fell again. I should go help. We are absolutely struggling today. Everyone is capsizing and falling in. I don't know what I got myself into. There may be some alcohol involved in most of these crashes. We got multiple canoeing DUIs out here. Yee! What are these guys doing?
Hey, do you want to do something fun? Okay.
We got the 3 boats here that haven't capsized yet. This is the pro club. I think the river's taken like 4 phones on the day. Hopefully it doesn't take my phone. We found a rope swing. Iceman's trying to get to it. Woo! Nice! It's a gondola ride. We are in Italy. This is a long river. I'm tired. I think we've gone like 16 miles or something. That's pretty far. This is not easier than hiking. Well, maybe a little bit easier. Might be a little easier than hiking. Not by much, though. The end is in sight. Thank God. We paddled over 20. It's probably, yeah, it's more tiring than hiking. I'm dead. I am absolutely dead. Hey, we're doing it though. Yay! Oh my gosh, I'm dead. We did it. Say hello.
Hello.
We've made it to the campsite for the evening. Another day on the Shenandoah River. Today we got Vistas. The Captain Vista is gonna take us to our destination. Here we go. Captain Dart.
Captain Dart. I wasn't gonna handle that. I think your pants are still unbuttoned.
Swimming time.
Oh no, they opened up in there.
Oh, okay. Side flip. Wasn't expecting that one.
I guess I probably got a fire going already.
We made it!
Oh really? Well, those ones are open.
Half of a grinder?
They were?
Good morning, everybody. Today is the third and final day of our Aqua Blazing excursion on the Shenandoah River. I haven't been doing a very good job of documenting it because I'm kind of scared to take my phone out on the water. Because on the first day, we saw so many people flip over. Yesterday, we didn't have any flip overs, so we didn't have anybody capsize. Nobody flipped their boat. Everything stayed remotely dry. But today is June 21st, the solstice, which is also Hike Naked Day on the trail. There are many traditions on the Appalachian Trail. One of those traditions is to hike naked on June 21st, the summer solstice, the longest day of the year. So I think we're gonna have a few naked people in our group today. I personally, it's a hike your own hike thing. And I think I'm gonna sit this tradition out, given how much I got sunburnt yesterday. But I'm sure there'll be plenty of other people partaking. The whole naked thing, it's just not for me. So we're gonna get out on the water. I think we only have like 6 miles to go today. Yesterday we did like 60, and the day before that we did 20 something. So it's gonna be a very easy, very short day. Just relax and float down the river. So here we go. Let's get into it. This is how we feel at the end of the Aqua Blaze. We got some tired hikers here. We're not paddlers, we're hikers. Yeah. Alright, everybody. We had a pretty wild end to our day there. We get off the river at the end of our paddle. It was only like 6 miles today. It was really quick. Head off the river. Some people may have enjoyed the paddle a little too much, if you know what I mean. So we're causing a whole scene on the boat launch, and then everybody leaves. They leave their trash behind. We kind of have to sort that out for them. But we're trying to get back to Waynesboro because we wanted to hike every mile of the trail. We wanted to go back and hike instead of skipping forward because of the Aqua Blaze. We paddled like 60 miles there. So we have to get an hour ride back to Waynesboro. But we couldn't find a shuttle to take us. So Sonic's mom was nice enough to drive 2.5 hours down to pick us up and then drive another hour all the way to Waynesboro. And that is just about the nicest thing anyone has ever done for me. And there's so many nice, like, such massive generosity that you experience on the trail that really just makes you kind of have hope for humanity. It really does. And it's just amazing. It feels so good to be the recipient of that level of generosity. It makes you just want to do good yourself, and I'm so excited to give back to the trail one day and hopefully give back and repay all that's been given to me so far, because we just have been getting so lucky, and I'm just so grateful for it. So yeah, that was our aqua blazing adventure in Shenandoah. We're back in Waynesboro eating pizza. We're gonna get back hiking tomorrow, so super excited for that. Thank you for watching this video. Goodbye.